Oh my goodness, I've got to pick up so much free stuff. So it's all about the fitness this month. Let's see how much money we can invest and how much money we can get back with fitness equipment on Facebook Marketplace. I have a huge day. It's like the 4th of May. It's like Star Wars Day. I have so much stuff to pick up. First thing I'm doing is I'm going to Palm Beach and I'm going to try and fit a multi-purpose gym in the car. They've already disassembled it. Then if there's like a little pocket of air left in the car, I'm going to go just a little bit further down the street to Eleanor and pick up 3 golf bag and clubs and a trolley. So hopefully all that fits. We've got it all in. Apparently the golf stuff folded. And then I had to come back to the workshop to dump it off and to get it out without damaging the car. Is the goal here. And then I'm going out to pick up a free storage box. I got a storage box. I'm going to go pick up a tool box. 12:34. I'm on schedule. So I'm meant to be there at 1. It's 20 minutes away. So if I go now, I'll be late. I don't think I got what I ordered. I even showed the guy a photo. I said, it's this, right? And he said, yes. But like, that can't be it. Okay, so apparently it is the workbench. Straight from there, I have to go and dismantle this basketball ring by myself. This is the first time I have to disassemble a basketball ring that's actually standing up. But if I can possibly film this would be hilarious. Okay, that's the 3rd pickup. Now I'm going to go do the 4th pickup. Golf set, paint, and an exercise bike. So it's one of those exercise bikes I could probably sell for $65. Got this paint. He had all these deals going. He just wanted to flog off all his paint. I got buy 1, get 3. Oh, there's a litre of paint. I dropped it and it busted open. Everything that I just listed is going to start from 8 AM. And hopefully I'm finished at 4:30. So it's going to be a huge day. This is my biggest collection day. And that workshop is chock-a-block. And in Australia, that means full. Is in one day, in a 8 AM to a 4:30 PM day, got a multi-purpose gym. Got that for free. I got 2 golf bags, 2 different places. One comes with a whole bunch of golf clubs. And one came with a foldable trolley. I got a basketball ring, the entire system. I got this storage box, tool chest, trolley thing, a whole bunch of paint, and this bike. There was a time where Bunnings used to like scare me and intimidate me. Now it's just a pain. I got way too much stuff in here. Since I'm renovating the workshop, I've got stuff coming. I've got some really cool gear on its way, and I'm going to sell the squirts. I want to give somebody else the squirts. I don't want the squirts anymore. I've had enough of the squirts, and the neighbours have had enough of the squirts. Someone else is going to get the squirts.